Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Hello and welcome back to ReneEnergy.com. Today, we're delving into an innovative solution that addresses two critical global challenges: waste management and renewable energy production, by transforming harmful landfill gas emissions into clean hydrogen fuel. This technology offers a sustainable way to manage landfill waste while generating green hydrogen, a crucial energy carrier in the global shift toward decarbonization. Through this process, we can effectively turn waste into a renewable energy resource, reducing environmental harm and contributing to a more circular economy. Stick around as we unpack how hydrogen recovery from landfill gas works, why it's important, and where it's being implemented. Let's begin by exploring the problem: the environmental impact of landfill gas emissions. Landfills are responsible for the release of large amounts of methane, CH4, which is generated as organic waste decomposes under anaerobic conditions. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas, with a global warming potential about 25 times greater than that of carbon dioxide, CO2. This makes landfills significant contributors to climate change. Without proper management, methane emissions from landfills can have a devastating impact on the environment, trapping heat in the atmosphere and accelerating global warming. To mitigate these emissions, many landfills around the world have installed methane capture systems. Traditionally, captured methane is either flared, burned off, to prevent it from entering the atmosphere, or used in low-efficiency electricity generation. However, a more sustainable and efficient alternative is emerging: converting methane into green hydrogen through a process known as steam methane reforming, SMR. In this process, methane reacts with steam at high temperatures, breaking down into hydrogen, H2, and carbon monoxide, CO. The carbon monoxide is then further reacted with water in a secondary process called the water-gas shift reaction, producing additional hydrogen and CO2. The CO2 can be captured or sequestered, while the hydrogen is purified for use as a clean fuel. The beauty of this process is that it turns landfill emissions, which are usually seen as a problem, into a valuable renewable energy resource. Hydrogen is increasingly seen as a key energy carrier in the clean energy transition. It can be used in fuel cells to power vehicles, generate electricity, or provide heat in industrial processes, all without emitting harmful pollutants. This technology aligns with the circular economy model, where waste is minimized and materials are continually reused. The environmental benefits of recovering hydrogen from landfill gas are significant. By capturing methane emissions and converting them into hydrogen, we can substantially reduce the carbon footprint of landfills while generating renewable energy. This is particularly important in regions with high landfill activity, where methane emissions contribute disproportionately to local and global greenhouse gas levels. As governments and industries around the world strive to meet climate goals, finding ways to manage methane emissions will become increasingly critical. Hydrogen recovery offers a scalable and practical solution to this challenge, enabling landfills to transition from carbon-intensive waste sites to centers of clean energy production. Several regions and countries are already exploring the potential of this technology. In California, for example, a number of landfill sites are beginning to implement hydrogen recovery systems to produce fuel for hydrogen-powered vehicles. One of the most promising initiatives involves converting methane emissions into hydrogen to fuel refuse trucks, the very vehicles that collect and transport waste to landfills. This closed-loop system reduces emissions from both the landfill and the vehicles themselves, offering a truly sustainable solution for waste management. Germany is another leader in hydrogen recovery from landfill gas. As part of the country's broader efforts to decarbonize its energy sector and embrace green hydrogen, research projects are underway to capture methane from landfills and convert it into hydrogen to fuel industrial processes and support local energy grids. These initiatives are being integrated into Germany's hydrogen strategy, which aims to position the country as a global leader in green hydrogen production and usage. In addition to its environmental benefits, hydrogen recovery from landfill gas provides significant economic advantages. Hydrogen is becoming an increasingly valuable commodity, particularly as industries such as transportation, heavy manufacturing, and energy storage turn to hydrogen as a key component of their decarbonization strategies. Landfill operators who adopt hydrogen recovery technologies can generate additional revenue streams by selling hydrogen to nearby industries or using it to power local operations, creating a more sustainable business model. As the cost of green hydrogen production continues to decrease, thanks to advances in electrolysis technologies and economies of scale, hydrogen recovery from waste sources like landfill gas is becoming more financially viable. Governments and organizations worldwide are also offering incentives and subsidies to promote green hydrogen infrastructure, further closing the cost gap between hydrogen recovery and traditional waste management practices. While the potential is exciting, there are still some challenges to overcome in scaling this technology. One of the main hurdles is the initial investment required to install the infrastructure for methane capture and hydrogen production. While large landfills in urban areas may produce enough methane to justify the investment, smaller or rural landfills might struggle to generate sufficient quantities of hydrogen to make the process cost-effective. However, by pooling resources or creating regional hydrogen hubs, smaller landfill sites could collaborate to develop shared hydrogen production and distribution networks that serve multiple communities or industries. There's also the issue of scalability. As with any emerging technology, scaling up hydrogen recovery from landfill gas to a national or global level will require significant investments in infrastructure, research, and policy support. Governments and industries must work together to create a favorable regulatory environment for hydrogen production and distribution, ensuring that landfill operators have the tools and resources they need to implement this technology on a broad scale. Despite these challenges, the future of hydrogen recovery from landfill gas looks promising. With the global push toward a hydrogen economy and increasing recognition of the need for sustainable waste management, this technology is positioned to play a key role in the transition to cleaner energy. By transforming methane emissions into green hydrogen, landfill sites can become part of the solution to both climate change and energy security, contributing to a cleaner, greener future. In conclusion, hydrogen recovery from landfill gas is a transformative technology that turns waste into a renewable energy resource. By capturing harmful methane emissions and converting them into green hydrogen, landfill operators can reduce their environmental impact, generate new revenue streams, and contribute to the global transition toward decarbonization. This process aligns with the principles of the circular economy, where waste is minimized and resources are continually reused. As governments and industries increasingly prioritize clean hydrogen production, hydrogen recovery from landfill gas will likely become an integral part of our energy landscape. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into green hydrogen recovery from landfill gas, be sure to subscribe to ReneEnergy.com for more updates on clean energy solutions and sustainability innovations. Together, we can build a cleaner, greener future. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.